Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is your girl Igbo. Please endeavor to subscribe now so you don't forget. Okay, in today's video we're going to be learning about alphabets and examples. Guys, as we all know, we have 36 alphabets in Igbo language. Not as we all know, well, we're going to know today. We have 36 alphabets in Igbo language, and we're going to be starting with alphabet A. You know, Igbo pronunciation is different from English. You know, in English you say A, but in Igbo you're going to say A. And the reason I use these vivid examples is so that it can help you to pronounce these alphabets. Like, you see the word I used there, aka. So it sounds like the alphabet A in Igbo. That is aka. So alphabet number 1 in ABIIDI Igbo, that's alphabets in Igbo language, number 1 is A. An example of that A is aka. So the essence of me figuring out the examples of each letter is to help you in pronunciation of the letters in Igbo. Once you get these examples, it will be easier for you to pronounce the letter itself. And I believe that learning letters is the first thing you do in learning a language. If you're able to fight these letters, trust me guys, you have conquered Igbo. Yes. So repeat as I say and still go over it over and over again. I won't tell you not to go over it. Go over and over again until you're perfect. So guys, let's go further. So guys, the B letter here is bia, is the example. A, B. So the letter here, bia. Chi, that's chinchi. That's bedbug in English. A, B, chi. Chi here. Then D, A, B, chi, D. A, B, chi, D. The D here is dike. Yes, or dokinta. We have E, A, B, chi, D, E. The E here is equal, money in English. You can see the English meaning of each of the word. And the F here is for, like to go. A, B, chi, D, E, F. Yeah, G, go, or Gini. Go is read. Gini is what? B, banye, bo. That's Paul, you know, and Bo is early. Hey, gente, that's listen. Gente, listen. Horror, plug. We, Guam, tell me. Guam, tell me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B. Hey, as whole. Ho, to roast. And the E here is iri. Mobu iko, that's to eat or to drink. And another letter here is E, that's ikpe, to sue, as an issue, sorry. And igba is drum. Yes. Ye, that's yam, which is G in Igbo language. And isi is jisie-ike. Then there's K, kedu, that's how are you. And the other one is karama, bottle. Be, bakbando, the stars, that is bakbando. Be, bakbando. Yes, be, bakbando. Kwi, kwụsị, that's stop. Kwi, kwụsị, that is what? Stop. L, letter or le, that's say. Mu, mmiri, that's water, or mbe, that's tortoise. Yes, mmiri or mbe. Ni, Ngaji, which is spoon in English, or ndo, which is sorry in English. No, to drink. No, to drink. No, to drink. Nwa, that's baby. Nwanyi, nwanyi, that's girl. Yes. Nyem, give me. Nya, that's to drive. Or oche or oro. Oche or oro. Or chicken or cocoa. That's chicken. Buku, that's 1,000. That's 1,000. Rie to eat. Rie to eat. Yeah. That's see. Mopansia. Cook or tell her. Shh. Ashe, that's to lie. Ashe, that is to lie. T, that's ta. Ta, that's today. Ta. Unere, that's banana, the regular banana you eat. The Igbo is unere. Ulo. Ulo, that's house. Ulo, that's his house. V, that's unvo. Yeah. Wete, mabuwa, to break. Then the other to bring. Ya, that's to lay. Yeah, that is to lay egg. Ye, to lay egg. And yeah, that's zuta, to buy. Zuta, to buy. So guys, that is basically it. See, I figured this their words in English as well as in Igbo to help to aid you in knowing what these letters are aligned with, the kind of words they are aligned with. This will help you in pronunciation. Yes, because I feel the basic of language is learning their alphabets. So with these alphabets and these examples I put up here, I believe we're going to go a very long way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Igbo Techno, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.